How to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance. Step-by-step guide 2025. Need to move your USDT from SafePal to Binance? This complete 2025 step-by-step guide walks you through the exact process, including network selection, BEP20, ERC20, TRC20, gas fee tips, and wallet safety across platforms. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Germany, or Australia, this video will help you transfer your Tether securely and confidently. In this full guide, you'll learn which network to choose, BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20, how to avoid common transfer mistakes that lead to loss of funds, how to verify addresses and track your transfer with blockchain explorers, pro tips for reducing gas fees and optimizing your transaction time, what to do if your funds are delayed or sent to the wrong network, how to contact Binance support with the correct TXID. Your crypto deserves maximum security. Follow every step clearly and avoid costly errors. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, this is the go-to video for SafePal to Binance transfers in 2025. Like this video if it helped. Comment your questions. We reply fast. Subscribe to Future Way Finance for more trusted crypto tutorials, DeFi tips, and blockchain walkthroughs.
257 257 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 257 257 25.
How to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance, step-by-step guide 2025 with pro tips. Welcome to Future Way Finance, your trusted source for cutting-edge crypto tutorials and fintech walkthroughs. In today's in-depth 40-minute guide, we're going to walk you through exactly how to transfer USDT Tether from your SafePal wallet to your Binance exchange account, step-by-step, using the latest 2025 interface. This video is designed not just for crypto beginners in the USA, UK, Germany, Australia, but also for intermediate users who want to deeply understand the technical process, gas fee optimization, network selection, and safety protocols involved in crypto transfers. Whether you're using a hardware SafePal S1 device, the SafePal mobile app, or a connected extension, you'll finish this tutorial with total clarity and confidence, and hopefully without losing a single dollar to fees, delays, or wrong addresses. Let's start by quickly understanding what USD is. Tether is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, meaning 1 USDT is typically equivalent to $1. It's one of the most widely used coins for transferring value quickly and cheaply across crypto wallets and exchanges. Now, why use SafePal? SafePal is one of the most secure and user-friendly wallets on the market, trusted worldwide by crypto investors who want mobile access, DeFi tools, and robust security without sacrificing ease of use. It supports a wide range of assets and multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, ERC20, Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, Tron, TRC20, and others. Before initiating the transfer, the first thing you need to know is which mesh network your USDT is on, because sending USDT over the wrong chain to Binance can cause a permanent loss of funds. If your USDT is stored on the BEP20 network in SafePal, it must be deposited into the matching BEP20 wallet on Binance. The same applies for ERC20, TRC20, or others. Always match networks on both ends. Now let's walk through the full process step by step. Step 1. Open your SafePal app and navigate to your USDT balance. Tap on the token and then tap the send button. Here, you'll need your Binance deposit address. So, step 2, open the Binance app or website. Go to Wallet, Fiat, and Spot. Search for USDT. Click Deposit. Choose the correct network you're transferring from, ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20, and copy the deposit address. Back in SafePal, paste this address into the recipient field. Next, input the amount of USDT you wish to send. You'll now be prompted to confirm network fees. This is important. Gas fees vary by network. BEP20 is usually cheapest, TRC20 is fast and low cost, and ERC20 can be expensive depending on Ethereum congestion. At this point, we'll also discuss gas fee management, including tips to send at low fee hours, early mornings in the USA, or late night UK time. After confirming all details, SafePal will ask you to authenticate the transaction, either through a password, fingerprint or QR code confirmation if using the hardware wallet. Once confirmed, your transfer is initiated. Typically, BEP20 and TRC20 transfers take 1 to 5 minutes, while ERC20 may take up to 15 minutes. You can track your transaction status in SafePal or using a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan, EtherScan, or Tron Scan, depending on the network. After a few minutes, go to Binance and refresh your wallet. If the network and address matched properly, your USDT will appear in your fiat and spot balance. If it's delayed or missing, don't panic. First, check the blockchain explorer. If it shows confirmed, it's just Binance taking a few extra confirmations. However, if you mistakenly use the wrong network or address, you'll need to contact Binance support and possibly provide a TXID and screenshots. We'll walk you through how to raise a ticket and what details you'll need. Let's now cover some pro tips for a smooth, secure transfer. Tip 1. Always double check the address before you paste it. A wrong address means your USDT is gone forever. Tip 2. Use a small test transfer if you're moving a large amount. Send one $5 USDT first and confirm it's received before sending the full amount. Tip 3. Bookmark or whitelist your Binance address inside SafePal for future use. Tip 4. Be aware of phishing scams that mimic SafePal or Binance. Always double check URLs and never share seed phrases. Tip 5. Learn to import and export private keys securely between wallets in case you ever want to migrate from SafePal to another wallet or recover funds in case of device failure. To give this global context, crypto adoption is skyrocketing in 2025, with users in Germany, the UK, and Australia increasing wallet usage by 40% over the past year. The most common mistake across these markets? Sending USDT using the wrong chain. So this guide aims to save you stress, fees, and potential losses. Also, take note, Binance occasionally changes deposit addresses for certain chains, so never reuse old ones without verifying. Finally, we'll finish by showing you how to track your transaction, calculate your transfer cost, and convert USDT into fiat, or trade it into other cryptocurrencies on Binance. We'll also show you how to set up price alerts, secure your Binance account with 2FA, and transfer the funds back to SafePal if needed. Conclusion, call to action. And that's it, your step-by-step guide to transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance in 2025. If this tutorial saved you time or money, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or crypto group. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. For more detailed guides like this, including Web3, DeFi, NFT security, and crypto career insights, subscribe to Future Wave Finance, your trusted global voice in digital finance.